Whoa, look at this one. Specifically designed with the ladies in mind and a touch-sensitive face. You can have step count, distance traveled, calories burned. You also get blood oxygen and your heart rate on this screen. We've got a nice leather band bejeweled around the actual display and comes in a variety of different colors as well. The N2. And in addition to all of the sports and health, you also have blood pressure. Blood pressure, heart rate, blood oxygen, all of which can sync to a new app we haven't seen before on your smartphone. And you can accumulate data there and even compare your step count results with others. You have an off button and a version number and back to your basic time. Once again, ladies watch, full sports fitness N2. Check it out.